the ultimate guide to retirement planning in your 40s. So you're in your 40s. Let's be real, your income has probably never been higher, but it feels like your expenses are in a dead heat to catch up. The mortgage, the car payments, the kids' activities, maybe even the terrifying thought of university fees. It's a lot. You're at a financial crossroads. You're making good money, but are you making the right moves to turn that income into a retirement you can actually enjoy? Here's the critical mistake I see so many people in their 40s make. They're just stashing cash away blindly, crossing their fingers, and hoping it'll all work out. Hope is not a strategy. In this video, we're going to give you a strategic roadmap to navigate this make-or-break decade, so you can turn your biggest earning years into the foundation for the retirement you've been dreaming of. 1. The why now. Your 40s as a financial crossroads. Let's get right to it. Why is this decade so incredibly important for your financial future? It's because you are standing at the intersection of two powerful competing forces: peak earnings and peak expenses. For a lot of us, our 40s are when the career really hits its stride. The promotions, the expertise, maybe a side hustle finally takes off. It's all coming together, and your income reflects that. But at the exact same time, life has never been more expensive. You're probably juggling a mortgage, raising kids, and maybe even starting to think about helping out your own aging parents. It's this combination that makes your 40s feel like a financial tightrope walk. The choices you make, right now, have a massive impact on your future. But here's the good news: you still have a powerful asset on your side: time. With 15 to 25 years until a typical retirement age, you've got a long runway for your investments to grow and compound. But the window for maximum impact is right now. If you wait until your 50s, you'll have to save way more just to catch up. Think of it like this: your 40s are the main launch phase for your retirement rocket. The fuel you load in today, your savings and investments, will decide how high and how far that rocket goes. Let's make sure it gets to its destination. 2. The 5-pillar roadmap to a secure retirement. Feeling the pressure? Don't. We're going to replace that anxiety with a clear, actionable plan. This is a 5-pillar roadmap designed specifically for this decade. Pillar 1. Maximizing your peak earnings. Your offense. That high income is your greatest tool, so let's put it to work. This is your financial offense. The goal is simple: pay your future self first, and do it aggressively and automatically. First up, your workplace pension. Under auto-enrollment, both you and your employer contribute. For the 2025-2026 tax year, the total pension annual allowance is £60,000, or 100% of your earnings, whichever is lower. This covers contributions from you, your employer, and government tax relief across all your pensions. If you aren't maximizing this, you're leaving one of the most powerful wealth-building tools on the table. And if your employer offers to match your contributions above the minimum, you have to contribute enough to get the full amount. Not doing so is literally turning down free money. Next, let's talk about individual savings accounts, ISAs, and self-invested personal pensions, SIPPs. For the 2025-2026 tax year, you can put up to £20,000 into your ISAs. Money in a stocks and shares ISA grows free from UK tax. A SIPP offers another great way to save, with tax relief on your contributions. The annual SIPP allowance is part of your overall $60,000 pension limit. Using these accounts is crucial. Pensions are your dedicated long-term retirement pot, while ISAs offer fantastic tax-free growth and flexibility, acting as a powerful supplement to your pension savings. Pillar 2. Taming your peak expenses. Your defense. A great offense is nothing without a lockdown defense. Your defense is all about managing your cash flow, so you have more money to put on offense. The biggest threat here is high-interest debt, especially from credit cards. Compounding interest is your best friend when it's working for you in an investment account, but it's a monster when it's working against you as debt. You need a plan to attack it. Whether you use the avalanche method, paying off the highest interest rates first, or the snowball method, paying off the smallest balances first, the key is to be systematic and relentless. Now for the elephant in the room: paying for your kids' university. This is a huge source of stress for parents in their 40s. Here's the hard truth. You have to put on your own oxygen mask first. Your child can get loans and grants for their education. No one is going to give you a loan for retirement. Prioritizing your retirement isn't selfish. It's the most responsible thing you can do for your family. Use dedicated savings accounts like Junior ISAs, which have a £9,000 allowance for the 2025-26 tax year, but don't let it sabotage your own retirement funding. A simple way to manage this is the 50-30-20 budget. 50% of your take-home pay for needs, 30% for wants, and a solid 20% for savings and paying off debt. If you feel like you're behind on retirement, you might need to crank that savings number even higher. Pillar 3. Smart investing for this decade. Okay, so you're saving like a champ. But where does that money actually go? At this stage, your portfolio should still be set up for growth. With 2 decades or more until you need to tap into this money, you have time to ride out the market's ups and downs. A good rule of thumb for asset allocation in your 40s is to have about 80% of your portfolio in stocks and 20% in bonds or other stable assets. Stocks are the engine for long-term growth. Bonds are the shock absorbers. As you get into your 50s and beyond, you can slowly shift that mix to be more conservative. And diversification isn't just a suggestion, it's a requirement. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This means spreading your money across different asset classes, industries, and countries, which is super easy to do with low-cost index funds and ETFs. The biggest mistake investors make is reacting emotionally to the news. The market will go up, and it will go down. Your job is to ignore the noise and stick with the plan. Don't get scared into being too conservative too early because of some headline. Your long-term plan is much more powerful than short-term panic. Okay, let's hit pause for a second. If this is starting to click and you're feeling a little more in control, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And I want to hear from you. What's the single biggest financial challenge you're dealing with in your 40s? Drop it in the comments below. I promise I read every single one. Pillar 4. Protecting your future, your safety net. This pillar isn't as sexy as investing, but it's every bit as important. This is about building a fortress around everything you're working so hard to create. First, your emergency fund. You need 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses parked in a liquid, high-yield savings account. This fund is your firewall. It stops you from having to gut your retirement accounts when life inevitably happens. The car breaks down, the boiler gives out, or a medical bill shows up. Next up is insurance. In your 40s, especially if you have a family, income protection insurance is non-negotiable. Income protection is the one everyone forgets about, but you're far more likely to face an illness or injury during your working years than you are to die. It protects your single greatest asset, your ability to get up and earn an income. Finally, estate planning. I know, nobody wants to think about this, but you at least need a will. You also need to go and check the expression of wish or beneficiary nominations on all of your accounts, your workplace pension, your SIPP, your life insurance. These forms often overrule whatever is in your will, so you have to make sure they're up to date. Pillar 5. Creating your retirement vision, your why. This is the most important pillar of all because it's your motivation. The numbers and spreadsheets are just tools. The vision is the destination. What are you actually saving all this money for? Take some real time to dream and then get specific. What does your ideal retirement actually look like? Is it traveling the world? Moving to a small town by the coast? Spending your days gardening, volunteering, or starting that passion project you've always talked about? Once you have that picture in your head, try to put a price tag on it. How much will that lifestyle cost each year? There are tons of online retirement calculators that can help you turn that annual cost into a total nest egg goal. That final number might seem huge, but it's not meant to scare you. It's meant to make your goal real. It transforms saving for retirement from some vague, boring chore into a clear, concrete mission. 3. Common pitfalls to avoid in your 40s. Knowing what to do is half the battle. Knowing what not to do is the other half. Here are the 3 most common traps people fall into in their 40s. Pitfall 1. Unchecked lifestyle creep. This is the silent killer of financial plans. As your income goes up, it's so easy for your spending to go right up with it. A bigger house, a fancier car, more expensive holidays. Before you know it, you're earning more than ever but still living month to month, with nothing extra going to your future self. The fix is to be intentional. Every time you get a pay rise or a bonus, commit to automatically saving at least half of that increase before you even have a chance to spend it. Pitfall 2. Getting too conservative too soon. We talked about this, but it's so important it's worth repeating. Market downturns are scary, and when you're in your 40s, you have more to lose than you did in your 20s. The temptation is to panic, sell, and shift your investments into safer things, like cash or bonds. But with decades still to go until retirement, this can be a catastrophic mistake that kneecaps your growth potential. Stick to your plan. Pitfall 3. Financial procrastination. The biggest mistake of all is just not engaging with your money because it feels too overwhelming. People save what they can and just hope for the best. But hope is not a strategy. The simple fact that you're watching this video means you're already beating this pitfall. So keep going. Your 40s are a decade of incredible opportunity. You have the income, you have the knowledge, and you still have enough time to build a truly secure retirement. It all comes down to the plan we laid out today. Play offense by maxing out your savings. Play defense by crushing your debt and controlling your spending. Invest intelligently for the long haul. Build a safety net with insurance and emergency savings. And anchor everything in a powerful vision for the future you actually want. It is not too late to start, but the time to act is now. Every single pound you invest today is worth so much more than a pound you invest 10 years from now. If you found this guide valuable, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching. Now let's get to work.